Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 76. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Shishaning and Jiangshu. Shishaning, she's going to tease her. Shushu, you are my favorite person. Now, look at her. She is really going to tease her so much. She was playing games with her. Jiangshu, at this moment, she was staring on hers. Jianing said otherwise, your sister won't continue. Jiangshu, she noted herself that Shishaning. Now, she's like playing games with her. Gritted her teeth. Now, she's losing her patience. Become more powerful. Throw pillows on her. If you don't do it, don't do it. I don't want it anymore. Oh, she's really getting angry on Shishaning. Jiangshu, she must be realized that Shishaning, she's not serious. Jiangshu stood up and she was acting that she's going to leave her alone. Well, Shishaning, she was staring at her. Oh, this is not good. How can she coax her back again? Turns out, she was holding her clothes. Look at her. She was acting that she is really vulnerable. So it turns out Shishaning, she can always be a tricky in terms of teasing her and also coaxing her. Well, if you don't like these questions, I won't ask, Shishaning said to Jiangshu, but you can just leave me like this. Jiangshu, how can she answer Shishaning? Well, to coax her, Shishaning suddenly stood up and she was hugging her from the back. So it turns out she don't want to hang in there. That's why she was rushing to. She hugged her from the back. The Jiangshu said to Shishaning, well, I just don't want it today. But Shishaning, she continued to call her. Sister, Shishaning was calling Jiangshu. Now, Jiangshu, she seems to be surprised. Looking at Jiangshu's expression, turns out Shishaning, she really do something to her. Well, her face, she was really blushing. So it turns out, Shishaning jumps on her. Don't lie to your sister next time. Shishaning said to Jiangshu. Jiangshu, she really looks uncomfortable. Well, probably, Shishaning getting closer with her. It really makes her feel uncomfortable. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. These two birds seems to understand on what's happening. Let's see. It was really funny, right? Jiangshu and Shishaning, after a long conversation and also after speaking and long argument, finally the two of them are been together again. Shishaning said to Jiangshu, now get a good night's sleep. She was covering hers since Jiangshu until now she can really let it slide. She said to her that she don't want to sleep. She will never sleep again. Oh, this girl is really having a tantrums, especially right now. But Jiangshu seems to be tired. Of course, it was a long day for her. Well, let's see. How can Shishaning coax her again? This might be a long talk for the two of them. It seems it was getting late. They really need to rest, especially for Jiangshu. He seems to be getting tired. But for Shishaning, it seems that she has a lot of power that reserved for today. In the end, she was doubting. Until now, she can really ask her a question, or she can really get an answer. Whenever she was asking questions, Jiangshu, she is really tricky. But Shishaning promised to herself that one day, Shishaning will have a grand plan, and I will no longer worry about the difference. Whether your heart is there, I'm here. Even if I'm tied, I will tie you forever. Oh, it's like a dream for her. Well, let's hope for this, that she can really fulfill her dreams in the future, that she can able to stay on Jiangshu forever. I can hardly achieve my achievements. My life will not last long, so I wish that your time being with me is really happy. Now, since Jiangshu is already asleep, now she kissed her gently. Well, it seems that Jiangshu, she was still awakened. Look at her. She can only said that it was not enough for now. It was the next day. Turns out Shishaning, she is going every night since that day. My back is sore after tossing. Does she know that the most important thing is now to stabilize the bureau? But it seems that Shishaning, She was really busy on dealing on hers. Turns out, Changshu, at this moment, she was really complaining on herself. Shining has already closed the case of the king, Jinkang, for the second time. So it means that it means that she is really the powerful person in the palace. The chief dad is still sick. I will become the real after being sick for a long time or go back to the house to take a look. So her father said she was here to meet the queen mother. First the Lord, master is ill, otherwise he will definitely come to greet me. The father said to her daughter, well, at least now, it seems that everything is fine. Father, are you not pretending? Yang Yang, did you misunderstood? The Lord is really sick. Oh, her father. Maybe she was really joking on hers. Last time her father is also faking it. But, well, the masters fell ill after the last time he left to Langshao said that he was stimulated and there's also a heart disease and it's really worrisome. Her father told her. Visioning right now. Heart disease. Now, she got really surprised. How can her father accumulated the sickness? Now, this is really terrifying. Also, she need to be serious by this. Now, Jiangshu came in. Dad, I heard that you have a heart disease. What is going on? Jiangshu, she looks really worried about her father. Her father said, me, oh, it seems that he was going to deny it. Why does the old man have a heart disease? I also know how to blame you. How do I know that I can blame me? No, granddaughter, what's the matter? Can you count in your mind? Her father told her. Well, this is really doubtful, right? It looks like her father is wanting to trick her. The rumors of the courts are rampant on the dust and you have been asked by the censors, but don't say that you don't know. Your dad is screaming right now. Whether it's a rumor or it's true. You know that it's better than me. Well, look at her. Now she received an earful message on her father. This is really exciting, right? Her father seems to be good at acting. Don't you admit it? You know what the Empress Dowager she said to her father when she was leaving that day. How could it be true that my father was talking nonsense? What did she say? Her father said her dad is screaming. Now, she called me. Father-in-law. Oh, that's it. Oh, that was it. That's why she looks like she's being stoned at that moment. So it turns out, Shishaning, she really wants to provoke him and also test her father on what will be the reaction when he knows that the two of them are being together. Well, this is really exciting, right? Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!